Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to remove important battery message notification on your iPhone. If you're experiencing this issue, your iPhone displays important battery message and unknown part. It typically means your battery was replaced and isn't a genuine Apple part. Here's how you can get rid of this notification. First, tap on the important battery notification message. You'll notice there's no direct option to turn it off or remove the alert, so follow this step instead. Close the notification screen. Press the volume up button, then press the volume down button. Again, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button. Wait for a few moments for your iPhone to restart. After it restarts, unlock your iPhone and open Settings app. Now, you'll see the notification has disappeared and your iPhone will display the battery's maximum capacity without showing the previous alert. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.